Okay, fine. This is what it is. You see this J box right here? We want to get rid of that that inch conduit, that LB, and then we want to put in a new inch conduit going from that J box all the way across, to about this panel right here. We'll probably go up 3 or 4 tiles. We put a flashing, we LB down into the attic, into the ceiling, and then come out on this wall, on this inside wall, and bring the PV wire in. Because the new inverter is going to go over here. So we'll come in somewhere over here with the PV, and we'll stub out, and then I'll take it from there and use, flex to come over to the new inverter, because he's going to get a battery later on, and then we'll use the flex until that battery comes, and then we'll tie it in permanently. All right, so that's the plan. Again, flash it, LB in, inch conduit all the way to the J box. To that J box, get rid of that. This is the existing PV pipe. And then we put we'll extend the wire from that J box and run new wire from that J box all the way to the new inverter. Done deal.